I'm Louise O'Doherty and I'm a P3 teacher here in St Joseph's in Crumlin. And we recently got the sensory corridor installed just a few weeks ago. We find the children are really engaged in it, they're really motivated by it, and they really want to explore it and enjoy it. And we've also found that when they return to the classroom after using it, they're much more settled and much more engaged, and their concentration has really improved. And we've also noticed children with special educational needs are getting great use out of it, and it's also really helping them as well to concentrate when they return to class. It's really good fun, it is brilliant, and the teachers are loving it. As I say, it's a great movement break for the children, and it's a focused movement break, so you can take them along and they know exactly what they're supposed to be doing whilst they're out on it. So there is purpose to your movement break as well, which is great. Also, I have to say, just from a teaching point of view, the sounds on the ground are great, particularly for those early stages where the children are just getting introduced to their signs. It's another way of really getting them to interact with that, so you can take your literacy lesson out onto the corridor, particularly for children that are maybe struggling to learn those, which is great for them as well. We're lucky we have a very long corridor, but it could be used in any small area, you know, that's the thing. And as you say, you can completely change it to whatever way you need it to and what suits your school and your children's needs that are there.
My favourite part about it is the hopscotch.
Going down the corridor whenever it's more fun than just walking down it. It's just more exciting.
After I get back to class, I feel really relaxed doing my work.
I think all the schools should have sensory pathways.
The sensory pathway is awesome.
I would absolutely recommend the pathway, sensory pathway for other schools. It has been hugely beneficial to our children. In the short few weeks that we've only had it here, we've noticed a massive change in their concentration in the classroom once they return, and also as well their behaviour when they're moving on the corridor. They can now focus on what they're doing when they're moving along. They have those different areas to access, so it's been great for that, so I would absolutely recommend it. We have found working with Learning Space extremely easy. It was all very straightforward, very quick and efficient, very organised, and as I say, extremely easy to work with, and we have just really enjoyed it, and it has been hugely beneficial to us as staff, but also the children as well, which is the most important thing.